Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover customer trust with Target detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding customer trust is essential for any business, especially after a setback. Begin by acknowledging the issue that caused the loss of trust. Communicate transparently about what happened. Share the specific steps being taken to rectify the situation. Make it clear that you value your customers' concerns. Create a dedicated team to handle customer feedback. Encourage open lines of communication through multiple channels. Listen actively to customer complaints and suggestions. Respond promptly to inquiries and issues. Implement changes based on customer feedback. Showcase these improvements through various platforms. Consider offering compensations or promotions as goodwill gestures. Maintain regular updates to keep customers informed of progress. Ensure consistency in the message shared across your team. Utilize social media to reinforce your commitment to customer trust. Highlight positive changes and success stories in future communications. Celebrate small victories as you rebuild trust with customers. Always keep the focus on the customer experience moving forward. Evaluate and adjust your approach by measuring customer sentiment regularly. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time and consistent effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.